Good morning, my name is Luigi Concetti. I will show you today how to make risotto alla Milanese. Risotto alla Milanese is one of the most famous dishes of the traditional Italian cuisine. First of all, what we need to have is a nice broth. I make today the broth with vegetables and pieces of meat which I use hen. But you can use also just vegetables to do the broth. I use carrot, onion, celery, of course, potato, a zucchini, and a few herbs from my garden, like parsley, thyme, wild fennel, and rosemary. A piece of garlic, pepper in grain, and a little piece of skin of an orange. The other ingredients of the recipe is chopped onion, minced like the grain of the rice, 2 large spoons of olive oil, 40 grams of butter, 2 spoons of bone marrow, little salt, a glass of white wine, dry white wine, parmesan, parmigiano, 320 grams of rice, carnaroli, saffron styles, saffron powder. Let's start to make the risotto by heat our broth and evaporize our dry white wine for a couple of minutes and just leave apart, keep warm. And let's start our recipe. Adding 20 grams of butter, 2 spoons of olive oil, and the onion chopped. If you have gas, just maintain medium heat, just on the top of medium heat, will be fine. And after a couple of minutes, when it's transparent, add the rice and toast it. Stir from the center to the side. Try to not stop. Toast it is very important because the grain of rice might have the porous, which we're getting close probably, and you maintain al dente the rice until the end. Step for a couple of minutes. Add the wine evaporized and stir and cook until it's absorbed. Just a couple of minutes. As you see, it's already absorbed. Let's start to cook our rice with the broth. Just put at the beginning 2 levels. Keep going to stir. We keep going to with another ladle. Obviously the broth have to be salted, but gently, not too much, because you can correct and add the salt in the end as you like. Salt and pepper, of course, as you like. And wait until it's absorbed, but not completely. Leave always a little bit creamy. Let's add the Italian saffron from Abruzzo. Be gentle. And another ladle of broth. While you wait, you can start to grate the parmesan. It's very important to grate the parmesan during the cooking to maintain fresh, tasty. Put the butter, stir, parmesan, stir again, exactly in the middle. Hit a little bit here, a little bit of saffron, fresh grated parmesan, and this is the risotto alla Milanese. So let's have a taste of our risotto. Buonissimo.